Hey guys! Today, I'm going to show you how to create an aesthetic Instagram story in Canva. I'm using the free version of Canva, so you don't need to buy Canva Pro to make it. Alright, let's jump straight into the tutorial. First, create a canvas with the Instagram story size. Then, add a frame for the background. To make editing easier, lock the background first. Next, add a frame. You can copy the frame keyword from the description box. Then, adjust the frame and duplicate it into 3. Arrange and position them like this. Once it looks good, let's add the font elements. Search for each letter one by one, then adjust and arrange them neatly. After that, let's add the next elements. You can copy the keywords from the description box. Adjust and resize them as shown in the video. Next, we will add star elements. You can copy the keyword from the description box. Our template is ready. Now, let's insert the photo we want to use for the story. But before that, unlock the background frame so we can insert the photo into it. After that, we will resize all the elements and frames. To do this, select all the frames and elements, then scale them down. Our Instagram story is ready. Now just save and download it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like, because I'll be sharing more awesome tutorials. You can also support me by buying me a coffee through the link in the description. Thank you.